Dear students, I am Ajay Tiwari. In this video series, I am going to start HTML. You will learn some basic fundamental knowledge of HTML in this session. First of all, my first topic is definition of HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is the most widely used language on web to develop static and dynamic web pages. It includes text, graphics, videos, audios, animations, link, and other support of media. First of all, I want to describe static. Static means the static web page displays the same content each time when someone visits it. And the another is dynamic. Dynamic web page, the page content change according to the user requirement. Second topic is analyze the word HTML. Let us analyze the word HTML. First is hypertext. Hypertext refers to the way in which the web pages are linked together. Thus, the link available on the web page is called hypertext. Second is markup. Markup means highlighting the text, either underlining or displaying it in different colors or both. Third is language. Language refers to the mode of communication between user and web page. Here user means the editor where we can write the code, and web page where we can see the result of the code. Third is basic tools of HTML. Now I am going to explain the requirement of basic tools. We require two basic tools to work with HTML document. First is editor and the second is browser. For creating and saving the documents like Notepad, Notepad++, Edit+. These are the examples of editor software, and browser for viewing the documents like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, etc. Editor, it is used to write and save source code document, and the browser, it is used to view the result of source code. Next topic is section of HTML. Our HTML document has two sections. First is head and second is body. The section where you put information is important about the web page, but we will not able to see on the browser window. And the second part is the body section is the largest part of our HTML document. It contains the content of our document which get displayed on the web page of browser window. Head we can't see on the browser window, but body text we can see on the browser window. Okay, let's an example. Our HTML document. Okay, our HTML documents begins with the opening HTML and ends with the closing HTML documents. Second is the head tag. The head tag, this one is the head tag. Okay, so the head tag defines the HTML document header. It is written just below the HTML tag, and inside the head tag we can write title tag. See the title tag. The title tag is used inside the head tag. The title is displayed in the title bar at the top of the browser window. Means here I have written here first. So this text we can see on the title bar first. The title should short and include only up to 64 characters. Means we can write maximum 64 character here. Then after body tag. Body tag is the largest part of our HTML document. It is used to display the contents, the effect of the contents on the browser window. Thanks for watching this video.